Then you're going to turn the system on. It'll take a second for it to prime. You'll see your resin come out of this ball valve, which is your filter housing. Once you get a steady flow, you can lift your ball valve. The pump will continue to pump until it reaches the head and start building the pressure that you're looking for. Usually around 35 to 40 psi. I don't know what your output is for this particular machine, so you're going to have to figure that out. Once it pressurizes to your set amount, the system will stop. Once the system stops, you're primed up to your PSI that you set. Then you can go to your catalyst pump. You're going to hand prime your catalyst pump. Once you see all the bubbles are out of line, you're going to lift the ball valve. Once you get to about 100 psi, you can put the pin into the connecting block. Now you're all primed up to the gun. The slave arm is adjustable. You got 2 U-bolts that can move it up and down. You got 2 bolts that can move it in and out. It's equipped with a pedal and an e-stop. So once you're all primed up, your e-stop is off. All you gotta do is hit the button and you'll have catalyst and resin coming out at the same time. When you're finished, you hit the e-stop and you won't be able to send any of the resin or catalyst out until you release it. At the end of the day, you can keep the system primed up. I always dump the catalyst, which is just at the relief valve, dump it back into your jug, and all you're doing first thing in the morning is priming up your catalyst, putting air to the system, and you're ready to go. As far as cleaning, you want to make sure that your tip is clean at the end of the day, spraying acetone on this and wiping it off so it doesn't build up catalyst and resin on the tip.